we're here and it's like 4 in the morning. But look how pretty the stars are. Oh, dang it doesn't show up.
We were building forts and playing games. Not a care in the world, we were dancing in the rain.
Well, not all of it, but over 10,000 feet up. We're going down there.
I
See?
forgot
Look at that.
about
We're
that.
going all the way down there.
For some reason, I really wanted to go to this lavender farm, so that's what we did next.
Fascination, 'cause it was all for us. Still tastes like coconut. Now.
Hello friend, it's editing Melanie here. I don't know what I didn't quite understand about vlogging. Apparently I didn't talk like at all. So I'm just gonna talk you through what we did, or what I think we did, because honestly I don't quite remember. This was literally like 2 years ago. This night after the lavender farm, we went back to the hotel because my mom felt sick. I was all like freaking out and emo because I was like,
oh my god, my mom's dying. Our trip is ruined.
and then my dad and I decided to walk to the beach. I kid you not, this was the most beautiful, stunning sunset. Like, this was probably the best sunset I've ever seen. It made my whole trip. So it's about 9 in the morning. I think I'm gonna go check out the pool because I haven't actually done that yet. Today we are going to Kihei. We're gonna go to McKenna Beach, Big Beach, and Little Beach and just walk around the shops down there. Got a little cloudy. Hopefully it clears up today.
Has anybody seen my heart?
So it's raining now, but it literally rains every like 2 seconds, so I'm just gonna stay out here for a little while.
The way she walked, the way she talked, there was nothing I could do.
There's no one out here until I'm just myself.
Now she's gone, now she's gone. She's gone, the girl is gone. She's gone.
After hanging out at the pool for a little while, we decided to go to the beach. It is about 10 and we are off to Kihei. We're just gonna go to the beach. I think we're gonna stop off for food first, and yeah! Look at my bracelet. I love all the little thingies here. On our way to the beach, we stopped off at this really cute little market area, and they just had little shops that they were selling little like bracelets and knickknacks at, as well as this really nice cafe that I was super into. It's so pretty. The market also had a little fruit stand, so we decided to pick up some fruit for the beach. So I met up with my friend Alyssa, and it was really fun. We took some pictures and we just hung out, and it was really nice. We're at McKenna Beach. It's so pretty. There's like a lot of dark clouds right now, and it rained like 10 times today. It was kind of annoying, but whatever. I'm gonna eat this star fruit. I'm really excited.
Yeah, another day, another damn dollar. Yeah, and I'll be leaving like a lump line. Hey, don't need no money and no time. I need something that'll get you out my eyes. Take off my jacket and my tie. Every party in LA.
the